Located in Silver Street, the West Mural Tower is a Grade 1 listed building. It's formed part of the west wall of the castle, and the name mural comes from the French, roughly translated as "of the wall". It's believed to be around about 700 years old, and during the centuries it's been many things, including a semi-defensive position and also a dwelling. Let's meet some of the team who are working on the project.
Hi, I'm Clara Walford. I'm the Historic Buildings Curator at the Auckland Project. We're working with key partners from Historic England and Durham County Council to conserve and repair the West Mural Tower, which is a Grade 1 listed building. Using key heritage skills, we are bringing the little building back to life and making it a working space again.
The work would not be possible without the support of key partners such as Historic England, Heritage Action Zone and Durham County Council, all working closely together.
I'm David Farrington and I work for Historic England based in Newcastle. I've been involved in the West Mural Tower project for the past 5 years, and my role has been to provide technical advice on the proposed works, and I've also helped to facilitate a Historic England repair grant that's enabled the project to go ahead. It really is great that the repair project that's underway at the moment is not only securing the future of the site through repair, but also it's allowing the building to be brought back into use so that the site can give something back to the local community.
Durham County Council has a special interest in West Mural Tower, as it's in the top 100 listed buildings in County Durham and the top 2.5% in the country. It also features on Historic England's Heritage at Risk Register, which means it's in a critical condition, and Durham County Council are happy to work with TAP to try and save the building and provide a future use.